In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to look for customer service on Glassdoor, Job Discovery 2026. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find customer service roles quickly and confidently, whether you're exploring options or actively applying. First, open your web browser and go to glassdoor.com. You can do this on desktop or mobile, but a larger screen makes it easier to compare listings side by side. Glassdoor is a job board and company insights platform, so it's a great place to see real roles along with reviews, salaries, and interview notes from other candidates. If you already have an account, log in. This helps you save jobs, revisit them later, and see more tailored recommendations. If you're just browsing and want to move fast, you can jump straight to the jobs section without signing in, though you may be prompted to log in when you try to save or apply to a role. On the homepage, click Jobs. This takes you to the main search area where you'll see two key fields, one for job title or keywords, and another for location. This is where the magic happens. In the job title field, type customer service. You can keep it simple with that exact phrase. If you're testing variations, common alternatives like customer support or client services are often used interchangeably by employers. But customer service will return a broad, reliable set of roles. Keep your search term clean and direct to avoid missing relevant jobs. Next, choose where you want to work. In the location field, enter your preferred country or city, or set it to remote if you want location-flexible opportunities. Many companies post hybrid or fully remote roles, so selecting remote can serve as a wider range of options. If you're open to relocating, leaving the location broad can help you discover more listings. Now review your results. Glassdoor will list roles that match your search. Scan the titles and company names and take a quick look at the company ratings and the posted date to gauge recency. You'll often see details like salary ranges, job type, and shift information right in the preview. Click into a role you like to read the full description. Check responsibilities and qualifications, and ensure the schedule and compensation align with your goals. If you're comparing several options, saving the listing helps you track everything in one place and revisit later with a clear head. That's it. You've learned how to find customer service roles on Glassdoor by navigating to the site, using a focused search term, choosing your location or remote, and reviewing the results to pick the opportunities that best fit your needs.